morning, peeps. 66 degrees outside. Phone's dead.
Your food's got to go well, bud.
Oh, good morning, everybody. Today is a travel day, but we can't get into the next one until 3 o'clock, so we're about 4 hours away. Our next destination, that is in Charlotte, North Carolina, on Lake Norman. Oh, I gotta go to the bathroom. I gotta go to the bathroom. That's the one downfall about this place. The bathroom's a hike. What a beautiful morning. God, I love this. Well, just made it to the bathroom time. But the good news about that is that they cleaned the bathroom. So we know right away because the guys aren't cleaning. She's a beauty. Well, I had a blast yesterday, that's for sure. Went to 4 different places to show you guys. I liked them all. So I think Pelican Beach is the nicest one when it comes to more people hanging out. Twisted Oar is a nice one because it's right on the water and it's good view, great people. Oh yeah! Alright guys, well, I'm gonna figure out what time we're gonna go. We don't have much to pick up besides the rugs. Only got 4 hour drive and I'm thinking I need to get some work done. Let's see what time it is real quick. Ooh, it's 9 o'clock already. I thought it was earlier. 4 hours in, so if we get there, say 10 to 12, give me 2 hours, yeah. Find a Starbucks on the way, so let me just do some research and I'll get back to you guys. Doug's just finished his breakfast and he's gonna be on his way, so on his way up. It was a great time here at Duckett Mill, that's for sure. Alright guys, well, we're gonna start packing up and get out of here. I'm gonna stop at Starbucks. I gotta download some. Actually, I can start downloading now while I'm packing up. And that way I'm not waiting around in Starbucks for it to upload, because you don't need it to upload to your computer. You don't need internet, so which I could do it here, but I feel I can get more done if I go to a Starbucks right now. At least I want to get 2 videos out, so when I get to Lake Norman, I can have tonight and tomorrow night to chill. And then when we travel the next day, we can stop again before we go to our next destination, which we're not sure where we're going yet. Somewhere north, somewhere. First thing, context. That's what happens. All my wires get all tangled up. It's alright though. I get off track sometimes. Perfect. 30 minutes to download. I'll start packing up and we'll get out of here. Thinking maybe just wearing what I have, because it's comfy. Put some sneakers on. Alright guys, well, we're all packed up. Just waiting about 5 minutes left to upload my my SIM card to my server, and then we're gonna head over to Starbucks about 10 minutes away, work for a couple hours, let dew crest, and then we'll head out to our next destination, and that's Lake Norman in Morrisville, North Carolina, north of Charlotte. First, let's go check out down here. This is a great area for sure. Most likely, I will probably come back on this sometime this year. Probably a couple times this year, actually. Beautiful day. That's my buddy. How's my buddy? How's my buddy? Alright, pack up, ready to go. Just waiting on some uploading, and then we'll be good. So we got another 7 minutes. I stopped and got these jalapenos and pickles. I just had the pickles, they were amazing. Good flavor. No flavors besides the peppers of its own flavor. But these pickles flavor amazing. Like if you put this kind of like the garlic in here, in there. Yummy. One more minute. Well, good morning, guys, and we are all packed up and we're heading out. So this is gonna conclude this beautiful campsite here, number 44 here at Duckett Mill over at Georgia on Lake Sidney Lanier. So right now we're heading to our next destination, which is Lake Norman in Morrisville, North Carolina, and we're gonna be there for 2 nights. So are you gonna come along? Enjoy the ride.